Hi, welcome to Transforming Stories. The Alchemist, a tale of fulfilling dreams. Summary. Hero, an Andalusian shepherd boy named Santiago, believes in a recurring dream to be prophet. A recurring dream troubles Santiago, an adventurous Andalusian shepherd. He has a dream every time he sleeps under a sycamore tree that grows out of the ruins of a church. During the dream, a child tells him to seek a treasure at the foot of the Egyptian pyramids. Santiago consults a gypsy woman to interpret the dream, and to his surprise, she tells him to go to Egypt. A strange magical man named Melchizedek, who claims to be a king of Salem, echoes the gypsy's advice and tells Santiago that it is his personal legend to journey to pyramids. Further, Melchizedek convinces Santiago to sell his flock and set off to Tangier. When Santiago arrives in Tangier, a thief robs him, forcing him to find work with a local crystal merchant. The conservative, kindly merchant teaches Santiago several lessons, and Santiago encourages the merchant to take risk with his business. The risk pay off, and the old man becomes rich. Santiago decides to cash in his earrings and continue pursuing his personal legend to find a treasure at pyramids. Later, Santiago joins a caravan crossing the Sahara Desert towards Egypt and meets an Englishman who is studying to become an alchemist. He learns a lot from the Englishman during the journey. For one, he learns the secret of alchemy is written on a stone called the Emerald Tablet. The ultimate creation of alchemy is the masterwork, which consists of a solid called the Philosopher's Stone that can turn lead to gold and a liquid called Elixir of Life that can cure all ills. Later, Santiago joins a caravan crossing the Sahara Desert towards Egypt and meets an Englishman. He learns that Englishman is traveling with the caravan to the Sahara oasis of Al Fayoum, where a powerful 200-year-old alchemist resides. As it turns out, the caravan must make an extended stop in Al Fayoum in order to avoid increasingly violent tribal wars taking place in the desert. There, Santiago falls in love with Fatima, who lives at the oasis. During a walk in the desert, Santiago witnesses an omen that pretends an attack on the historical neutral oasis. He warns the tribal chieftains of the attack, and as a result, Alfreum successfully defends itself against the assault. The alchemists get words of Santiago's vision and invites Santiago on a trip into the desert, during which he teaches Santiago about the importance of listening to his heart and pursuing his personal legend. The alchemist convinces Santiago to leave Fatima and the caravan for the time to finish his journey to pyramids, and he offers to accompany Santiago on the next leg of his trip. While the alchemist and Santiago continue through the desert, the alchemist shares much of his wisdom about the soul of the world. They are mere days away from the pyramids when a tribe of Arab soldiers captures them. Alchemist says Santiago is a powerful alchemist who will turn into wind within 3 days. Santiago feels alarmed because he has no idea how to turn into wind, and over the next 3 days he contemplates the desert. On the third day, he communicates with the wind and the sun and coaxes them to help him create a tremendous sandstorm. He prays to the hand that wrote all. At the height of the storm, he disappears. He reappears on the other side of the camp, and the tribesmen, awed by the power of the storm and by Santiago's ability, let him and the alchemist go free. The alchemist continues to travel with Santiago as far as a Coptic monastery several hours from the pyramid. There, He demonstrates to Santiago his ability to turn lead into gold using the Philosopher's Stone. He gives Santiago gold and sends him off. But Santiago begins digging for the treasure at the foot of pyramids. But two men accost him and beat him. When Santiago speaks to them about his dream vision, they decide he must have no money and let him alive. Before leaving, one of the men tries to illustrate the worthlessness of dreams by telling Santiago about his own dream. It concerns a treasure buried in an abandoned church in Spain where a sycamore tree grows. The church is the same one in which Santiago had his original dream. He finally understands where his treasure is. He returns to Spain to find a chest of jewels and gold buried under the tree and plans to return with it to Al Fayoum, where he will reunite with Fatima, who awaits him. Finally, Santiago is successful in discovering his own destiny. The alchemist tells us fear is a bigger obstacle than the obstacle itself. What is true will always endure. Break the monotony. Embrace the present. Your success has ripple effect. Make the decision. Be unrealistic. Keep getting back up. Focus on your journey. Always take action. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get latest notifications. Thank you.